Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Doing a new radio today, the Stryker SR-94HPC. Right there. This is for Phillip in South Carolina. It's a tune-up report. It's Phillip, so let's start where I'm at. I'm on AM. And I'm on low power. See that scale there? It's just a little over 3, not quite 3.5, 3.25. Alright, peak power. Watch slug audio. About 20 there. Okay. Now I can change the power. Hit that. Turn that. I got 4 and 10 to use. So here's 10 watts. All the way over to 10. And peak power. Audio. Check. Audio. Check. What's that, about 59? Okay. There's an FM mode. FM. Let's set the volume down. Okay. Power 4. Again, that's going to be 3 something. See that again. 10. That'll be the accurate one that we set. 10. And 40. Let's go over here and check out 40. About 44. Alright, there's only one adjustment there, so we chose to do the 10, the one in the middle, 19. How about a 19? Can I get a radio check? Break.
Loud and clear on the radio check, driver.
I appreciate it, and thank you very much.